South Africa's justice system champions gender equality and GBVF eradication by Satori News. Minister of Justice and Constitutional Development, Thembi Simelane, recently addressed the 18th Conference and Annual General Meeting of the South African chapter of the International Association of Women Judges, expressing pride in the chapter's 20 years of resilience and impact. With the August month's historic significance for South African women, the minister's speech was not only a reflection on advances in gender equality, but also a rallying call against the pervading crisis of gender-based violence, GBV, and femicide in the country. Celebrating the judicial milestones, Minister Simelane specifically lauded the appointment of Justice Mandisa, who shattered the glass ceiling, becoming South Africa's first woman Chief Justice. Emphasizing that her appointment resonates beyond the judiciary, symbolizing hope and affirmation for the girl child across the continent, the minister underscored the judiciary's significant role in society, particularly its power to uphold justice and inspire the next generation. While celebrating achievements, Simelane did not shy away from addressing the dark shadow of GBV, casting a pall over the country's progress. She quoted alarming stats from a joint UN Women and UNODC report, indicating a starkly grim scenario where thousands of women and girls are fatally victimized within family settings globally. Recognizing the judiciary's power in combating this scourge, Simelane applauded the stronger sentences being delivered to perpetrators. She highlighted the importance of the rule of law and the South African judiciary's resolve in creating robust legal principles to support the fight against GBV. In the intermediation between law and societal change, the minister pointed to legislative improvements aiming to tackle GBV head-on. Notable advancements include the enactment of key legislation, such as the Criminal Law, Sexual Offenses and Related Matters Amendment Act, the implementation of an online system for domestic violence protection orders, the establishment of a femicide watch, and the inauguration of the National Council on Gender-Based Violence and Femicide, all part of the strategic framework to ensure women and children's safety. In her stirring address, Simelane also touched on the critical need to dismantle entrenched patriarchal norms, calling for a concerted effort among all societal strata, including the judiciary, to foster a supportive environment that promotes women's roles in this ongoing struggle. With the backdrop of commemorating the women who fought against apartheid pass laws, the speech hinged on the theme Extraordinary Circumstances, Extraordinary Means, End GBV and Femicide, resonating with the 20-year journey of women's legal and social battles in South Africa. In conclusion, Minister Simelane's speech at the conference served as a robust affirmation of the government's commitment to gender justice and defeating GBV. It laid down a blueprint for continued judicial activism, societal transformation, and upheld the indomitable spirit of South African women who strive for equity and justice in all facets of life. Thank you for choosing Satori News.